Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Highguard and you keep getting this problem, online error, your connection to Highguard has been lost with the error code cormorant, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on a Highguard easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you close out any anti-cheats that you may have running. So for example, if you have Riot Vanguard, Faceit anti-cheat or Easy anti-cheat running, just close those anti-cheats, and after that you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to search for Cloudflare WAP on here. You're going to go ahead and download the software on your computer. Click download latest stable release and download the software on your computer. Once it's done downloading, you're going to go ahead and install it. After you're done installing it, you're going to open it up. And then you're going to go into Cloudflare WARP, click onto this settings icon, click on 1.1.1.1 with WARP, and then connect it. Wait for it to connect. Once it's done connecting, now you're going to open up your game's platform. You're going to right click on your game, click properties, go into installed files, click verify integrity of game's files and let it verify your game's files. Once it's done with that, now you're going to open up your game and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that Highguard error cormorant anymore. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.